Hey friends, if you encounter the issue where device manager is blinking or flickering on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolution. So here's the thing. First of all, you need to restart the display driver and update it. So search for device manager in the Windows search bar and open device manager, and then expand the list of display drivers. Now specific to the one which is active, not the dedicated one, the first one. Right click and update it, and if it doesn't help, right click on it and select uninstall device. Then click on action and scan for hardware changes. After that, repeat it with the dedicated graphics card if you have one. And then you can check the USB connections. Are they good enough? Are they tight enough? The next solution will be to run an SFC scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator. Type the command sfc space / scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. The next solution will be to uninstall conflicting applications. And how would you do that? So right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the apps tab on the list on the left hand side, select installed apps and then change sort by to date installed, and then you can find any conflicting application and uninstall it. And lastly, perform system restore on the computer. I mean, restore it to a good point earlier. Search for recovery in the Windows search bar and open recovery. Now, first of all, you'll have to configure system restore because it would be unconfigured. So this won't work immediately, only if you have created a restore point, just like I am creating right now. Okay. And at a later stage, you can restore it. So first of all, you have to you have to make a restore point. Then click on open system restore, click on next, select a good restore point, click on next, click on finish, and finally click on yes to initiate the system restore process. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.